Hello, my name is Alex Moñino, General Manager at HP Additive Manufacturing Solutions. Our mission is simple: to accelerate access to manufacturing by making 3D printed parts available to everyone, everywhere. We just celebrated a huge milestone. Our MJF technology turned 10. From the original 2016 launch of MJF to the 5600, we've continually raised the bar for what additive manufacturing can deliver. We've proven that MJF is the gold standard for industrial polymer in the most demanding applications, like orthotic and prosthetics, drones, automotive, and industrial. Today, we have taken the same MJF DNA and delivered into a format that fits directly into any workspace. I'm proud to unveil a new step forward in industrial-grade 3D printing, now accessible to teams everywhere. Welcome to a new chapter of MJF.
Hi, I'm Clara, Head of Product for the Polymers business at HP. Today is a special day because we get to finally share a product that we have been secretly working on for several months in our labs. We have spent the last few years building the most powerful industrial powder bed fusion systems in the world. But this time, we challenge our teams to do something different. We asked them to take that same industrial DNA, that same uncompromising performance, and condense it. It's MJF technology, now for everyone. We are launching the whole system under $60,000, including the printer, material management system, and the build preparation software. Entering this space required us to approach the problem with a fresh perspective. We didn't want to just build a smaller machine. We wanted to solve the problems that actually hold you back. The message we kept hearing was clear. You were not looking for more 3D printing. You just wanted parts. Strong parts, easy, and fast. So that's exactly what we built. Liz is going to show you how.
Thanks, Clara. I'm Liz Stortstrom, Product Manager of the new HP MJF 1200. As Clara said, we've been tirelessly working to develop a system that's tailored to you. And one thing that's certain, everyone wants reliable parts fast. Whether you're in a lab, a model shop, or a production floor, every second counts. The HP MJF 1200 takes less than 12 hours to print a 12-liter build, regardless of the complexity of the job, which means you can have robust functional parts next day, or even same day for those rush orders when you print a partial build. But it's not just about print speed. Every person we spoke to asked for an easy, efficient workflow with minimal powder interaction. No one wants to stand around cleaning powder off parts, and now you don't have to. The material management system takes care of powder removal, recycling, mixing, and loading, all in a series of enclosed steps. The fully automated unpack process removes excess powder from your parts and reclaims it for the next build. So not only does this help keep your workspace clean, but it saves you time by eliminating the tedious step of manual unpack. The 1200's fully guided workflow also means you don't have to worry about making mistakes. Even if it's your first print, you can confidently follow the front panels and know you're doing it right. Our goal is to make 3D printing easy, and that doesn't stop at the printer. If you want to avoid the hassle of managing and ordering supplies, you can opt for our pay-as-you-go model, which automatically detects when you're low on consumables and delivers them to your door when you need them. But what happens when your print volumes change and you hit a spike in demand? Well, don't worry, you're never alone. We have a worldwide ecosystem of hundreds of MJF parts providers that you can rely on. So even when you have peaks in production, you have the flexibility to combine in-house and outsourced printing while having the confidence that you're always getting industrial MJF quality. This is a key point. The 1200 is powered by multi-jet fusion. Just like our high-volume portfolio, the HP MJF 1200 delivers strong, reliable parts you can depend on. We've spent the last 10 years bringing this technology into the world, watching it grow, and refining it based on everything we've learned from the end users. And now, we're bringing it to you. As you've heard today, we are all super proud of what everyone has accomplished with the multi-jet fusion technology so far, and we're even more excited to see what everyone else can do with it now that we're expanding access to this technology. So here today with me is Anima. They are a design firm, and they are very familiar with bringing cutting-edge ideas to life. So why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Eric. I'm the prototype manager in Anima. My job in the studio is to make designs come to reality.
I'm Joel. I work with Eric and we are in charge of the prototyping department, as Eric said, but also we are in charge of the manufacturing part.
Super cool. And why don't you tell us a little bit more about how you use the multi-jet fusion technology?
We use multi-jet fusion in the last stage of our prototyping timeline, because we use first of all FDM, as I said, because we only need to check geometry and general volumes and these things. But when we need a really good surfaces or finishings, or if we want to check the tolerances, we use multi-jet fusion because it's the best, I think.
Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, we have a technology that give us the chance not also to iterate and make different parts, but also manufacture final parts, like for example, this violin.
Yeah, this is a super cool example of what you can accomplish. I love the design. Now, we've been collaborating together for the last several months, and you've been providing super valuable feedback on the new workflows, the part quality, as you can see here, and we're very grateful for that. Why don't you tell us about your experience and also maybe what you're excited to see for the future?
First of all, I have to say thanks to HP to come with us.
Well, thank you for the feedback. It's super valuable for our development process.
And we are really glad to see the final product, because we think that this type of product from HP fit very well with us and with our type of work.
Yeah, and we are very glad to participate in this program. So at the end of the day, those people will have the best part of the both worlds, the manufacturing and the knowledge that you have.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for your feedback. Thanks for the conversation today, and I cannot wait to see what you do next.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being part of this moment. MJF has come this far because of the people who believe in what it can do. We are excited to keep building the next chapter together with you. If you want to explore the MJF 1200, talk through your ideas, or see how it can transform the way you work, reach out to us. We'd love to continue this journey together. Thank you.